had CDX since 2002. The old versions where it was just the disc. We loved it. It was great for the class. It's a good teaching tool.
Heavy equipment operation.
But let me say this: we purchased the automotive maintenance and light repair this year because we were becoming NATEF certified, and that is absolutely the best teaching instrument that you can have today because it keeps up with the task sheets. It's right along with the ASE MLR certifications, and it's in smaller increments so that the students are not overwhelmed by it. So they get involved in it and they complete the task. But this is a very good teaching instrument.